Hi class, this next chapter is going to be combining the first three strings. So we started the third string in the last video I did, which was open G and A. Before that we did open B and then C and D on the second string, and then open E, F, and G on the first string. And as you can see in this diagram here, it shows you where the notes are: G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and where they are on the staff. So the first song we're going to do is Rockin' Robin. It's number 21. All right, starts on an F. Remember, ignore the letters above the notes. Those are chords, which we'll deal with pretty soon, but not yet. So here we go. Starting on F. 2, 3, 4. 4. 4. 4. 4. 2. 4. 2. Okay? All right. And as you can see, that bottom line has a lot of the third string. We have A here and G. So the next one, number 22, is Yankee Doodle. It doesn't use the third string until here. So there's G and A. Otherwise, you're on the second and first. So here we go. Starting on C. 2, 3, 4. 4. 2. 4. 2. 4. All right, next one, number 23, Surf Rock, starts on a D. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. Now, if you're having trouble remembering the notes, because we keep adding notes each week, it's okay to write them in pencil or whatever. I just think after a while, after you do this enough, you'll start to remember them better. Au Clair de la Lune is a duet. If we were in the classroom, I would have half the class play part one, which is all the top lines, and the other half of the class play part two, which is all the bottom lines, but we can't do that. So let's skip that one. The next one is Aurelie, number 25. And this is an old Civil War song, but the melody was used by Elvis Presley to write the song Love Me Tender. So when you hear it, it'll sound familiar if you've heard any of Elvis's stuff. So here we go, starting on open G. 2, 3, 4. 4. 2, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. 4. one more in this chapter. He's a jolly good fellow. Now, before we do it, we have a new time signature. Now we have 3/4, so 3 beats per measure instead of 4, which means you can't fit a whole note. A whole note was 4 beats. We can't fit a whole note in a measure of 3/4. What we have is a dotted half note, which is worth 3 beats. And you should know that a dot adds half of a note's value to itself. So a half note is worth 2 beats. That means the dot is worth 1. All right, and that means a dotted half note would be worth 3. If I put a dot on a quarter note is worth 1 beat, so the dot would be worth a half a beat. So a dotted quarter note would be 1.5 beats. But probably not going to get to that rhythm. But dotted half notes are used a lot. So again, this is worth 3 beats. So let's go to the next page, and here it is. He's a jolly good fellow. So 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2, 3. And there you have it. This chapter was a little bit longer than the second string, and the fourth string chapter I think is even a little bit longer than that. The middle notes, the third and fourth string, are kind of tough as far as adjusting with your right and left hand. So just in case you have any trouble, just realize it's always like that. Now let's do one more thing here before we move on from this. So we're going to take Orally, which I did in open first position just a minute ago, and as I put Love Me Tender in parentheses just as a reminder of where you might hear it. We're going to play this now in fourth position. I wanted to be able to take, what I've been doing, taking one song from each chapter and doing it in different places. So, the G is the 5th fret of the 4th string, A is the 7th fret of the 4th string, and we've dealt with all the other ones. This is an odd position to read in, but so the notes we've done so far: G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So here it goes. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. And this is in fourth position because my 1 is in the 4th fret and stays there basically for the entire song. My 1's in the 4th, my 2's in the 5th, 3 is in the 6th, and 4 is in the 7th. So one more position here. We're going to do the same song in 9th position. So it's going to move up another set of strings. Now my G is on the 10th fret of the 5th string. A is on the 12th fret of the 5th string. So I have G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? So here we go, starting on G. I'll do another video after this one on the fourth string notes so we can look ahead, but that's basically it.